Hi everyone, so I'm back with a very quick video to show you some little, well they're not actually little, they're big coin envelopes with a nature theme. There's 5 pages and they're in my £1 budget section. So that's the first one. That is the second one. And the third. You can shrink them down if you want them to be smaller, or you can fit to page or drop it into something. You can make them bigger. So yeah, that's the fifth one. So 5 of them, £1 in my shop. I do have a freebie of a nature, what is it? It's tags, pockets and little Polaroid style images. That's a freebie. I will link that below as well if you want to go check that out. So yeah, that's in my shop. Bye for now.